tonight, like I said, it's wedding week. So I'm doing a little girl's headpiece. So y'all, all I did was I took some of this, this is some wired jute, and yeah, it's just wired jute. And this you can get from the Dollar Tree or from Hobby Lobby. This I happen to have gotten from Hobby Lobby. It's just a big bunch of it. So, and I'm just gonna show you, I already have one that I put together here. But the way I did this was I just made a loop on each end. I just made a loop on each end. So I just made 2 loops, just like that. Just 2 loops on each end. I found that this was a little thin for me, so you can reinforce it with some, I don't know, if you want to put ribbon, that's fine. Mine is going to be more of a vintage look, more of a country, I guess you can say, more of a country look. But yes, you can wrap ribbon around that if you want. I chose not to do that. I chose just to reinforce it with just some plain jute. And so it did come out just a little bit thicker. It is thicker. So that's gonna, hopefully, we'll see, but I think it's going to work with my flowers. So, y'all, I just took some flowers. I had some really pretty roses, but I didn't have enough of them. So we're gonna go with these little flowers. They are kind of an ivory color. Y'all, I'm hoping this works. I'm just merely going to hot glue these on there. You probably want to use, I don't know, maybe E6000 if you're really going to use this for a wedding so they don't pop off. But just for time's sake, I'm just doing it this way. I'm hoping they stay. I'm hoping they stay. This is what we have. This is what we have so far. I just have a little cute little flower girl headband. So anyway, here we are with these 2 loops. Remember those that I had. So I'm just going to, this is going to be a little country girl's headpiece. So y'all, I just took a bunch of ribbon, not a bunch, but I have some lace in here, and then I have some of this ivory just ribbon that I've had. We're going to twist this around. So I'm just going to kind of try to make a loop right up here. So y'all, I just made like a little loop up here. I'm putting these 2 ends together there. I'm just going to put that right through the loops. Take this and that loop here, and I'm just going to put all that ribbon right through there, and that way that will kind of, it gives me a place to put this ribbon and then secure it in there so it doesn't come out. So it looks like that. I think you can see that. So I'm gonna take a strip of this bling wrap, and this is the silver. So I'm taking this, it's a 3-strand, I cut 3-strand, and this is what I'm going to do. I am going to, let's see, probably have to trim it anyway. I'm just gonna cut each strand. I'll show you. Okay, so I'm not gonna cut it all the way. So I'm gonna leave this piece right up here intact, and I'm gonna cut this other, wanted these to kind of dangle. So I I cut it up to here, and I've got this up here still intact because I'm gonna wrap that around my piece. So this is what I got so far. Y'all, I took this, it's kind of like, I think this is chiffon. I took this and all I did was make a little bow out of it. I mean, actually, that one will work. But all I did was just make a little bow out of it. Anyway, I just made a little bow just like that. Okay, so I'm gonna glue this little piece. I'm going to glue that right there where I have my other little pieces of ribbon. That is what we look like. I'll fix the bow here in a minute because I want some bling back here. I'm just gonna take this piece and glue it around. I want to glue it around the middle of that bow. It doesn't matter what this looks like right now because a big piece of bling is going to go right here. I may take, see how that drapes across there? That's the way I wanted that. Okay, y'all, I'm using this big piece right here. Isn't that pretty? So that is your silver bow. And this little girl's gonna look so cute. She's gonna be all blinged up. Okay, y'all, look. How pretty is that back there? For the little miss. How pretty is that? So, okay, so that's what we have so far. What I'm gonna take a few of these pieces, I think, and put them right here in the front. So I'm taking these smaller pieces. Look how pretty that is. I'm taking these smaller silver pieces and I'm putting some, I think I'm gonna add some to these flowers up here. Let's see. And we got some bling in there, y'all. Some bling right in there. So here is the back of it. Isn't that cute? It's just cute.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and grab our free download, 50 Ways to Bling Out Your Wedding. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.